One of Tennessee's largest gardening events makes a return this summer, giving the public a full day of plant sales, expert workshops, and shopping opportunities. WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News reporter Emily Goodwin has more on the summer celebration.
Many made their way to the West Tennessee Ag Research Center Thursday for the highly anticipated summer celebration. It was a full day of indoor and outdoor activities, completely free and open to the public. The event featured expert-led presentations covering everything from home gardening techniques to pest control and landscape designs, among many others. Cooking demonstrations were also led by the UT Kitchen Divas. Outdoors, the summer celebration continued with plant sales, local vendors, arts and crafts led by Madison County Master Gardeners, and wagon tours of the Ag Research Center.
There's tons of plants, but it's not just for plants.
You know what was the coolest thing to see?
What?
Worms.
Yeah, so there's somebody in here who's got some worm casings and is doing it. And that's the great thing, is it's not just for those of us who like to garden. It's also for the little guys, where they can come out and learn a little bit more about animals with TWRA. There is a soil conservation down here. They've got honeybees.
One of the garden tours talked about annuals, a plant that is planted each year and blooms all summer long.
You know, you can get firsthand experience on what's going to grow well, and we really encourage you to see that, you know, as opposed to going just to the local box store and picking something up. If you go see it growing here, you know it's going to perform well in your landscape.
This will mark the 34th summer celebration. The last event was held in 2023. In West Jackson, Emily Goodwin, WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News.
If you missed the summer celebration this year, just note that due to a new biennial schedule, the event won't be held again until 2027. However, UT Gardens Jackson is open to the public daily from dawn to dusk.